Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and explore the latest trends and analysis that matter most to you. I'm your host today, and we're talking about three major players in the crypto space: Solana, Bitcoin, and XRP. Solana, one of the most popular altcoins out there, is on the verge of a critical downfall. After a robust rally in April, Sol lost momentum at a crucial resistance level, the 200 EMA, which is now around $162. This resistance level has traditionally separated bull and bear trends, so the recent rejection raises serious questions about Solana's future. Let's take a closer look at Solana's price action. The fact that it failed to sustain its upward trajectory tells us that buying pressure is rapidly descending. We can see this in the obvious breakdown below the ascending trendline support that sustained the rally from late March to present. And when you add an increase in selling volume, the setup suggests that a more significant correction may be on the way. The immediate support levels to keep an eye on are $140 and $130, followed by $120, a psychological and technical support area if Solana can't find a strong bid at these levels. But here's the thing: market sentiment matters too. If Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to exhibit hesitancy or decline, Solana's precarious situation might rapidly deteriorate. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. The flagship cryptocurrency is displaying fresh strength as it aims to reach the eagerly anticipated $100,000 milestone. Strong technical patterns and market-reported liquidity dynamics have supported Bitcoin's recovery from a period of consolidation. And what's more intriguing is that important moving averages like the 50-day and 100-day EMA have recently been breached by Bitcoin, transforming them into possible support levels on the price chart. Buyers are regaining confidence, and they're willing to push Bitcoin higher, as evidenced by the breakout and notable volume surge that followed. But what's really interesting is the liquidation heat map. A sizable cluster of liquidity situated just above and below the current price, around $96,000 and $94,000 levels. These liquidation zones create an atmosphere in which price changes can happen swiftly. When liquidity accumulates at specific price points, it pulls the price in that direction as traders liquidate and stop losses are triggered. If bulls can squeeze out short positions, Bitcoin could see a significant upward move with these liquidation clusters in place. Particularly, if the $96,000 barrier is broken, the market's current configuration indicates an ideal launching pad toward the $100,000 psychological level. But prudence is vital here. Both upward and downward price swings could occur quickly due to the dense pockets of liquidity. The market structure and technicals of Bitcoin indicate that the path to $100,000 is becoming increasingly apparent overall. It might only take a few bold moves for Bitcoin to enter a historic new price range, provided support levels hold and liquidity keeps increasing slightly above the current price. Now, let's shift our focus to XRP. The next big move of XRP may be determined by this pivotal moment. XRP is currently hovering around the 100-day EMA, a key technical level that it's been fighting for days without winning. But according to the chart, XRP has successfully broken through the upper limit of the descending wedge in which it had been stuck for several months. Usually bullish, this pattern suggests a possible breakout. And what's more promising is that volume levels are beginning to increase, indicating that traders are getting ready for a more significant move. A wave of buying pressure could push XRP's price sharply higher toward the next resistance zone, which is around $2.50 if it can maintain a breakout above the 100 EMA. But conversely, if XRP is unable to overcome this level, it may revert to consolidation or even experience a corrective pullback with support levels at $2.18 and $2 re-entering the market. Because of the RSI indicator's current neutrality, XRP has ample opportunity to rise without encountering overbought conditions right away. That's all for today's episode of Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay ahead of the curve with our expert analysis and insights on the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that matters most to you.